Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Callie, and today I want to show you guys how I take my mini braids out. I already have the back out. I have them in little twists back here. So this is the easiest way that I like to do. So I'm gonna show you what I use. Excuse me. First thing first, some water. Water. And your favorite conditioner. I use Hello Hydration because to me it has a lot of slip for my hair. It works really good. My hair is always soft when I use it, and my hair is like very manageable when I use that. So that's what I like to use, but you can use your favorite conditioner that you like. Also use a brush. Sorry, it's dirty. I've been using it. Some clips, and I also have my shears, because sometimes like it's like single strand knots at the end, or when I'm trying to like, I can feel the knots on the end, so I just clip them away as needed. It's not like a big cut, but like if I see some knots, I'll just kind of like snap it off, because we don't need that. We only want healthy hair. So y'all know I'm looking a little cray today. But it's hair day, so don't mind me. So I have these little buns. I've had these mini braids in for how many weeks? Maybe like 4.5-ish weeks. This is how they're looking. I could have kept them up longer, but I need to take them out. But yeah, this is how it's looking. The growth is good. Pretty good. All right, now let's get to it, okay? So I'm gonna put this side up. I've been doing it in like, I put it in like 4 sections. Now I've been doing 1 section at a time. So far I only did 2. It's been taking me about maybe an hour or so to do each section. But yeah, I have been moving. So first I just start with the water. Definitely start on the ends, because that's the part that's gonna be the hardest, like starting to take the braid down. So yeah, just spray it. I have low porosity hair, so I gotta squeeze the water in, you know. So I make sure it's really saturated. Then I just work the water in, just kind of squeeze it. And then once I got the water worked in a little bit, I get my conditioner. Each section I do at least about like 2 pumps. About that much conditioner. Start on the ends, and then just kind of work it into the rest of the hair. Just squeeze it in. Also, some of this will kind of like dry up a little bit, but I just go back in with some water or a little bit more conditioner. So if you get to like a braid and it's like dried up a little bit, yep, just spritz a little bit more water. So once the hair is like this, the curls at the end, it's ready to be taken down. So I'll just start, let's just do this one. And I just kind of clip the other hair away. Then start at the bottom. I already kind of took this one down yesterday. Let me give you a different example. Like this one, you want to make sure you start at the ends. Don't try to like start up here and peel the hair away. Start at the end, like close to the end. Make sure you're careful so you don't create any knots. but that conditioner will give it a little bit of slip. So you can just start it like this. Let me put this away. So yeah, I just kind of start at the bottom and just work my way up. But the conditioner helps out so much. I think I used to use like coconut oil and stuff when I used to take them down, but I think this is much faster. But you have to be kind of like gentle and careful with your hair. You want to make sure the end is really like moisturized, so you don't like rip through your hair. But yeah, I think this is the fastest way. I don't know. This makes the process so much smoother for me. So I just want to share this with y'all. But yeah, I love this way much better than any other way. The conditioner helps it go by so fast, see? But yeah, I've been taking each section down within like an hour or so. So I'm loving that. Yeah, you just work your way up, and it should be a lot faster than just taking it down, you know, dry. Don't try not to take it down dry. I don't really recommend that because it'll be easier. Your hair will like break easier. So just be careful, be gentle with your hair, and be patient with it. But I do love the conditioner. This way is amazing. So yeah. And then this section up here, I try to kind of like clump the hair together so it'll stay moist until I get to those braids. But if it does dry, like I said, spray some water, a little bit more conditioner. But yeah, this is the way. This is the way. And then once I get more hair down, I use my brush and kind of like detangle it and then put the hair to the side. All right. Another thing, like once you get to the top and you're gonna get to like the place where it's like build up and like shed hair, be gentle when you get there. Just kind of like slowly like separate it. I'll show you. Especially in like the nape area and like my edges. I have to be very gentle. So when you get to this part, just kind of gently pull it apart like this. Just kind of use your fingers to do this. Just kind of gently, just like do it and like gently pull it apart. But the conditioner will help like soften it up so it won't be so hard to get that build-up area apart. Just like that. And there you have it. I'm gonna just keep on going and going and going. Just like that, I am done. Taking out all these mini braids. Look at my hair. It's so dirty, but after I finish taking out a section, I'm going to show you what I do. I'm going to detangle it. I'm going to just spray lots of water on it. Like a lot. a whole lot. Just kind of work it in. I have low porosity hair, like I said, so she needs some extra push. I'm just gonna work it in. I got my brush. Definitely with the ends. Make sure it's really saturated. Then we get a couple pumps of the conditioner. And just slowly like work it through my hair. Gotta get the ends. Oh, my hair is so healthy. Oh my gosh. I love it. All right, now I'm gonna get my brush. Sorry, it's so dirty, but this is real life. But I'm just gonna go through with my brush and just kind of detangle it, starting at the ends. And just kind of like work my way up. I do this side and then I flip it and try to do this side too. Just to make sure. Just slowly going up. Ooh, this feels so good. I'm just making sure it's all the way detangled. All over from the root to the tip. There we go. Yes, yes, yes. This is also feeling very good. And it's also pulling out like all my shed hair. So these are like full length pieces of hair. So that's how you know it's like shed hair and not just breaking off. And I had them in for about a month. It was like 5 weeks almost. 4.5 weeks. So this is a decent amount of hair. Boing. It's about this much. Not bad. And then after I do that, I just put it in a twist like the other ones. I'm looking like the girl from Polar Express. She's cute though. So I just twist this, and then after that, so all of these are detangled. The back is like dry. But now I'm gonna be ready to go wash my hair. All right, y'all, that is how I take down my mini braids. I hope you, if you haven't tried this way, please give it a try, and I think you will like it. But yeah, if you have a different way, comment down below. Let me know how you take down your mini braids, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.